Hello guys, welcome back. Let's see one of the C language question which was given in GATE 2014. Let A be a square matrix of size n by n. Consider the following program. What is the expected output they are asking? Means here they have given few lines of code and they are asking for what is the correct answer for the given code they are asking. Okay, let me analyze the code. They have declared one integer, means they didn't define what type of variable, then it will be integer variable with a value 100. And they have taken two for loops, nested for loops, by initializing one. I value will be 1, j value will be 1. You know, they have taken a two-dimensional array. When two-dimensional array means it is going to be represented like a matrix form, right? Let's take a matrix of size 3 by 3 means n value is 3. N value is 3. So I value will be 1 to 3, j value will be 1 to 3. Then let's assume my matrix will look like this. Its index starts with 1, right? Yes. When starts with 1, I'm going to represent columns as 1 to 3, rows as 1 to 3. This represents 1 1, 1 2, 1 3. I mean first row, third column. Second row, first column. Second row, second column. Second row, third column. Third row, first. Third row, second column. Third row, third column. If you understood this one, let me take some values for those. I mean 1 2 3, 1 2 3. Let's assume that I am taking some values as 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, fine. So this is the corresponding matrix. If you assume it's a 3 by 3 square matrix. Let me analyze the code. For I equal to 1 means I value will be 1. Then j value will be 1, 1. This will iterate up to 3, right? Then it is going to execute. It is going to create some temporary variable. Guys, it will be easy, but to make clear tracing, I am going to explain every step. They have declared one temp variable and they are saying that a of ij. A of ij means I value is 1, j value is 1. Means a of 1 1 plus c. That value will be updated to temp. First step I will explain clearly. Temp equal a of 1 1 plus c. A of 1 1 is what? This one, right? That means this value is replaced with 1 plus c. C value is 100. 100 plus 1 is 101. 101. Then immediately a of ij. A of ij means a of 1 1 equal to a of ji. That is 1 1. I value will be 1. J value will be 1. So a of 1 1 equal to a of 1 1 means the same value will be copied to here. Next immediately a of ji means a of again 1 1 equal to temp minus c. What is temp value? 1. 101. 101 minus c. Minus c means 100. So you will get value 1. That will be modified to here. So a of 1 1 equal to 1. So this 1 is replaced with the value 1. Okay. So one iteration is completed. Next immediately for loop completed, then j value will be incremented by 2. With the same I value 1, j value will be now 2. J value 2 means now once again temp variable will be created. Now temp equal to, let me explain this step only. Temp equal to a of ij. I value is what? 1. J value will be 2 plus c value is 100. A of 1 2. What is a of 1 2? First row, second column. First row, second column is 2. That means 2 plus 100. That value will be updated to temp. That is 102 you got. 2 you got. Okay. Next step, a of ij. A of ij means a of 1 2 equal to a of ji means a of 2 1. What is a of 2 1? Second row, first column. That means 4. That 4 is copied to a of 1 2 means here 2 replaced with the value 4. value 4. Yes. Immediate statement a of ji. A of ji means a of 2 by 1 equal temp minus c. What is temp minus c? Temp value is 1 or 2 minus c value is 100. So you will get 2. Means a of 2 1 is copied to 2, the variable 2. So here you will get 2. Okay. So this is for j value 2. Next again it is going to increment. J value will be 3. Now 3 to 3 is correct, right? Now 3 to 3 means once again executing. Temp value is now what will happen? A of 1 3. What is A of 1 3? 3. 3 plus 100 is here you will get temp value is 103. Next A of 1 3 equal to A of 3 1 means A of 3 1 is copied to A of 1 3. Means A of 1 3 is copied to means that this will be like this. 7 will be copied to here. Next, A of 3 1 equal to temp minus c. 103 minus c value is 103. That will be 3 will be copied to A of 3 1. A of 3 1 here is 3. Guys, don't stop here. You need to do completely. Okay, fine. Next, j value will be incremented by 1. That is 4. 4 less than 3 condition fail. When condition fail, it comes out of this block and cursor will move to this block. Now, I value will be 2. I value will be 2. When I value will be 2, once again j value will start with 1 2 3. J value 1 2 3. Means it is going to execute. That means temp value is what? A of 2 1 now. A of 2 1 plus c. A of 2 1. A of 2 1 is what? 2. 2 plus c is 1 or 2. Now, A of 2 1 equal to A of 1 2 means the value of A of 1 2. A of 1 2 is what? 4 is copied to A of 2 1 means here you will get once again 4. Once again 4. Now, A of 1 2. A of 1 2 equal to temp minus c. 1 2 equal to temp minus c. A of 1 2 equal to temp minus c. Now next j value will be 2. When j value will be 2, if you do, here you will get 3, here you will get 7. J value will be 3 completed. Next, j value will be 4. Iteration fail. When iteration fail, I value will be incremented to 3. Right. So if you do on this process, guys, if you observe here, clearly observe, you got same values 1, 2, 3, 4, 7. So if you do this process, first here you will get 6, then 8 here. Again for the next iteration here you will get 6 and 8. Here what is happening is this for the first iteration of j, it is performing transpose matrix. For the next iteration of one more iteration with outer for loop I variable, it is once again transpose. So transpose of transpose, I should check. A transpose of transpose is you will get A. For one for loop you are getting A transpose. For another for loop you are getting transpose of transpose. So transpose of transpose is you will get again A. So our final answer will be again 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Trace out clearly, you will get the same answer. So if I am trying to print for a equal to 1 to n, for j equal to 1 to n, do output of a of ij means you will get the same answer. So the answer is option A, the matrix A itself. When you are going to get transpose of matrix, if I am having one for loop, then only you will get transpose of matrix. So option B is wrong. Adding 100 to the upper diagonal elements and subtracting 100 from the lower diagonal elements. So this is not the case and none of the above. So option A is correct answer. I hope you understood clearly. Thank you.